Hey guys, Deepak Patil here. Today in this video I will tell you how to take care of your car during the lockdown period. As we know that we are in the lockdown period, it is possible that we could also have to work for a longer period of time from the home. And a lot of people are worried about those cars that have been parked and stationary for a longer period of time. Here are few tips to keeping your car well maintained during this lockdown period. As we all know that the battery gets depleted if it is not used for a longer period of time. So the tip number 1 is battery care. Start your vehicle and keep the engine in running condition for minimum 5 minutes once in a week. If your car is smart hybrid technological car or with a lithium ion battery, start the vehicle and run the engine for minimum 15 minutes with the headlight on once in a week. I am sure that everyone can do that, but just in case you can't, then the next thing would be disconnect the battery terminal, that is negative terminal, with which it will prevent the draining of the battery or discharge of the battery. If the vehicle doesn't start in the first attempt, then wait for the 15 seconds, and then after 15 seconds try to crank the engine. So as you can see, I have started the car, then the engine RPM has increased from more than 1000 till 1500 RPM. So this vehicle is fitted with auto choke. Every vehicle is fitted with auto choke. The normal RPM will raise more than 500 RPMs than idling. So wait till the engine gets warm up and normal in the idling position. Tip number 3. Whenever you start your vehicle, run the engine on idling position for several minutes. So it will circulate the engine oil in all engine and thus improve the lubrication of engine. As well as do remember to also switch on the AC for several minutes. Tip number 4. When your car is on idling, don't accelerate your car vigorously. Many people have the habit to accelerate the car and increase the RPM for several times. But don't do this. By doing this, it may damage the engine parts. Tip number 5. Disengage the parking brake. By doing this, the rear brakes will not get stuck when the vehicle is not in use for the longer period. Many of the Indian cars are fitted with the drum brakes on the rear wheel. So by disengaging the parking brake, the wheels will not jam. Tip number 6. If you are living in the big society and there is lot of space, so take a spin in the forward or in the reverse. Take the car for at least 2 feet in the reverse or in the forward movement. This will prevent the flattening of the tire. If the vehicles are placed at only one position, then the tire will get flat off. So in order to prevent the flattening of the tire, vehicle should move in forward or reverse direction. Tip number 7. Opening the bonnet. Here is the button. You can lift it off and bonnet can be opened. Open the bonnet and raise the bonnet at a proper place. So here in the bonnet you have to check for the radiator fan, check for the radiator fan, radiator hoses, check for the battery sulfation, check for the level of the battery. If the level of battery is lower, then fill the battery with the distilled water. Check for the washer fluid level. Check for the engine oil level. Tip number 8. Remember to switch off all the light and accessories after engine is switched off to prevent any loss of battery discharge. So I am turning all the light and accessories of my car. Tip number 9. Always park your car in the shaded area. Never park your car into direct sunlight. By placing the car into the shaded area, the color will not fade off and the fuel from the tank will not evaporate. Tip number 10. If your car is parked on the slope, so engage your car in the first gear and also place a stone in front of the tire to prevent rolling of the car. Tip number 11. Make sure the cabin is clean and there is no leftover of any papers or wrappers inside. Take out your mats and dust it off. Last but not the least, protecting the exterior is very important. So remember to get your car washed regularly. Since in this lockdown period, there might be have a time to clean your car. Clean your car with the plain water. Dry it for some time and wax the car properly. This will help to maintain the color shine. So these are some of the basic things that you can do at your home. Kindly share to your friends and family members about these things which I had explained you in this video. Thanks for watching.